Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue. The next thing that I'm going to do is set the date rank for the last 30 days because I want to know what it did last month, and I'm going to select new because we are going to be selling new items, and here we need to click to fix the price because we are going to be doing buy it now listings, and here best offer accepted because it will rank it higher and it gives the customer more chances to be able to buy your item. There is a 20% sell through rate, which is not bad. And what this basically means is that you have got a 20% chance of selling it, and I advise that you should sell a product with a minimum sell-through rate of 40-50%. There is a lot of other products on eBay that are around 10 and 15%, which are really low. If we look at the section here, this seller here, he made over $5,000 just from one product. The next one he made over $4,000, and as you can see, this particular product is selling well, so this is definitely a product that you can definitely import and sell it. So I would advise anyone that's looking to start with dog product business or a big business, I would advise anyone out there to start selling this product because this product is selling well. Now we need to go over to Alibaba.com and double check that it's actually available for us to import. I'm always use Alibaba to find suppliers. So now what you need to do, you need to go over to Alibaba.com. This product is selling well right now on eBay, and it's gonna be doing really well for the next couple months. So now what you need to do is jump over to Alibaba.com. Now we have just jumped over to Alibaba.com and we need to type in dog code, and as you can see there is a variety of different style of dog codes. So now which one you want to pick, it's just up to you which one you want to pick. And as we can see here, this supplier has been on Alibaba for 3 years, and as I said, what I always like to look out for is the amount of years, and here as we can see, the supplier has been on 3 years, and here 4 years. That the supplier has been on Alibaba for years too. So as you can see, this one has been on there for 6 years. The supplier is the one that I will probably advise anyone to go for, and here this supplier that's had this amount of years not to go for, and here this supplier is one that I would definitely advise that you should go for. Just make sure that the supplier has been on there for over 4 years, 5 years maybe, like this one, he has been on there for 5 years, and you can ask them for other wholesaling products. If you are successful with them, you can tell by the name of the company that they specialize in paid products. They can advise you on what products are selling. Now what you need to do here to start selling products on eBay, you need to go to Google Trends to see if there is a product that's been searched low, and after that you go over to eBay to make sure that the product is got high sales through, and then go over to Alibaba.com to see if the product is available or not, and then you need to contact the supplier, and I made a video on how to contact suppliers. You can check it out, and then you need to wait for the reply so that you can import these products as soon as possible and start selling them yourself. And I want to mention to something, don't look at the price too much. You need to contact the suppliers first, do what the suppliers say. They may be able to offer you a cheap price, and then take it from there after you contact them first. We can use this method that I just showed you to help you find your own product. This method will definitely help you to find a product that's selling well right now, that will help you to grow your eBay business. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.